sun comes shining through.
Sicily is a destination for travelers who seek depth and authenticity, layered history, with rugged landscapes, and cuisine that is an unforgettable treat for the taste buds. At the heart of the island, Zash Country Boutique Hotel and Spa brings together contemporary design and local character. Set between the commanding presence of Mount Etna and the shimmering Ionian Sea, Zash offers an intimate retreat where every detail, from architecture to gastronomy, reflects the essence of Sicily. Zash is a masterful blend of old and new, housed in a restored 1930s manor and former winery. With only 17 rooms, this boutique retreat prioritizes exclusivity and personalized service. The design marries minimalist modernity with rustic Sicilian elements, creating a space that feels both timeless and contemporary. Surrounded by 13 hectares of fragrant citrus groves, Zash is a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility without sacrificing style. Its Michelin-starred restaurant, subterranean spa, and unique accommodations elevate it to a must-visit for the beau monde traveler. The architecture is a form of respectful dialogue with the past. The original stone walls of the Baglio have been preserved and incorporated into the design. The new structures, built from local tufa stone and pale render, are deliberately low and minimalist, a contemporary interpretation that defers to the original architecture. The vibe is not of a newly built resort, but of a place that has been thoughtfully and elegantly uncovered. The stunning infinity pool is a modern addition, yet its placement feels innate. It is a long, precise cut in the stone that mirrors the ancient saltwater pools once used by the Tanara to hold the catch. The surrounding terrace is furnished with simple lounges. There is no music, only the sound of the wind and waves that the fishermen once listened for. Inside, Zash's common areas are a study in refined simplicity. The old wine press, now a dining area, retains its rustic charm with vaulted ceilings and original stonework, offering a cozy spot for pre-dinner aperitifs. Every detail, from the oak floors to the minimalist decor, feels intentional, inviting guests to relax in style. Zash's 17 rooms are a testament to thoughtful design, each offering a unique perspective on the estate. For the ultimate indulgence, the pool villas are unparalleled. These secluded havens come with private plunge pools or saunas, offering a level of privacy that feels almost decadent. Surrounded by citrus trees, the villas are bathed in natural light, with glass walls that invite the landscape inside. The private pools, though compact, are perfect for a refreshing dip or a moonlit soak, making these villas ideal for honeymooners or those craving solitude. Every detail, from the sleek furnishings to the soft linens, exudes quiet luxury. Beyond the accommodations, Zash's Michelin-starred restaurant is worth of a culinary pilgrimage. Housed in the atmospheric old wine press, the dining experience celebrates Sicily's bounty with a modern twist. Dishes showcase the chef's flair for blending tradition with innovation. Ingredients are sourced from the hotel's garden or local producers, ensuring vibrant, authentic flavors. Pair your meal with a glass of Nerello Moscalese, grown in Etna's volcanic soil, for a true taste of the region. Zash Country Boutique Hotel and Spa is a rare find, a place where the raw beauty of Sicily is matched by a sense of refinement.